Hey there, tech enthusiasts. If you're an Apple Card user looking to get a better handle on your finances, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you through the simple steps to export your Apple Card transactions to Excel. This process is super handy for budgeting, tracking expenses, or even analyzing your spending patterns. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you're on your iPhone or iPad with the Wallet app installed. It's where all your Apple Card magic happens. Open the Wallet app and tap on your Apple Card. You'll see your card details and a summary of your recent activity. Next, head over to the Activity tab at the bottom of the screen. This is where all your transactions are listed. Scroll through if you need to, but for exporting, you don't have to select specific ones unless you want to. Now, look for the three-dot menu icon or the Share button. Depending on your iOS version, it might be in the top right corner. Tap that, and you'll see an option to export transactions, or something similar. Once you tap Export, you'll get a few choices. Select CSV as your file format because that's what Excel loves. It might ask you to choose a date range, so pick the one that fits your needs, maybe the last month or year. Hit Export, and the file will be saved to your device or shared via email or iCloud. Now, grab your computer or another device where Excel is installed. Locate the CSV file you just exported. It's probably in your Downloads folder or wherever you saved it. Open Excel. Go to File, greater than Open, and select that CSV file. Excel will automatically format it into a spreadsheet, with columns for date, amount, merchant, and more. One quick tip. Sometimes, the data might need a little tweaking. Use Excel's filters or formulas to sort by date or categorize expenses. And if you run into any issues, double-check that your iOS is up to date, as Apple occasionally updates these features. There you have it. Exporting your Apple Card transactions to Excel is that straightforward. It only takes a few minutes and can give you powerful insights into your finances. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.